Hi everyone, you are watching Two Utes Transplanted.
Since you stopped by today to check on our latest video, we would like to take a moment to thank you for spending some time with us Utes.
If you are not new to our channel, you may remember a video from years past where we made these easy and quite lovely embroidery hoop wall art pieces using cardboard.
Well, we thought how nice it would be to make a larger version as part of our fall decor this year. So that is exactly what we did, and we wanted to share how this larger version turned out.
If you want to see the step-by-step process to make this fun festive DIY, click on the link in this video's description box, or click on the card that will be featured at the end of this video.
Here is what we used to make this large fall acorn tree wall art. Acorns from Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree. We prefer these from the Hobby Lobby because we like the metallic finish. A bag of flat back gems in fall colors from Hobby Lobby. Brown crepe paper. A bottle of extreme sheen craft paint by Deco Art in the color copper. Scrap cardboard, glue, and floral wire that can be found from the Dollar Tree.
All we did differently in this version was to make our frame out of scrap cardboard instead of an embroidery hoop. And to do that, we made a circular shape out of long cardboard strips connected with glue. To give our circle more stability, we wrapped it in floral wire, which we then wrapped in brown crepe paper to conceal the cardboard and wire. We then gave the tree a coating of copper paint.
In our previous version of this DIY, for the smaller tree, we used faux fall leaves, and we liked the way that looked too, but we decided to go a little bit different route and try to make it a little bit more high-end look with the flat back gems and the autumn colors to simulate leaves. And you can see these best scattered at the bottom of the tree, and they're sprinkled down through the branches of the tree. And we kind of took a little pile of them at the bottom to simulate falling leaves that had gathered at the base of the tree. We then spaced out our acorns all around the tree and adhered them with glue.
To finish off this piece, we applied the flat back gems to the circular frame on the outside. To share one more project with you using our favorite item, foam board. We freehanded the shape and cut it out with an X-Acto knife, blended autumn colored paints, and added our own saying, and voila, fall decor for under 50 cents. We thank you for watching, and remember,
in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.